Hey friends, I'm Kavita and welcome back to my channel Sparkle Kavi. Today I have an interesting DIY which is these fabric bow earrings. I have this dress and it came with extra sleeves, but I like this dress the way it is, so instead I made these earrings out of it and they look very pretty. So friends, today's DIY is very easy and for that you don't even need a sewing machine. So without any further delay, let's see how to make these earrings.
Supplies that you will need are some scrap fabric, round earrings, matching thread, needle, scale, pencil for marking and scissor. First, take your fabric and cut square out of it randomly. You will cut 4 layers. Now place your earring on wrong side of fabric and mark both the outside of it like this. Then take your ruler and draw straight lines on these marks. Then cut the extra fabric. Height you can take approximately half inch bigger than the width. To make bow for one earring, you will need 2 layers of fabric. Lay one layer on another with right sides touching together. Now fold both the fabrics from top around 3 to 4 cm towards wrong side. Then grab your needle, thread it and tie knot of both the ends. Now it's time to hand stitch along this line. First insert your needle from down, bring it up and make a loop. Then insert the needle from the same point. Now make one small regular stitch. And now instead of going forward, go one step back as we want strong stitch, not the regular straight stitch. If you are new to hand sewing, then you can check my previous tutorial on back stitch to get it more clearly, and the link for it is given on your screen. When you reach near the end, again fold both the fabrics 3-4 cm towards wrong side and start stitching. At the end, make loop and tie few knots and cut extra thread. Now make a stitch on the other side also, following the same steps. Now trim the extra fabric from both the sides and turn the fabric inside out. Flat the seams nicely, and if you want you can iron it once. Now keep this aside and take the remaining scrap fabric and cut approximately half inch wide long strip. Then fold this strip in half, then fold each half in center making a bias tip. Next, take your earring and insert it in the loop we made previously like this. Then gently bring both the side at center making a bow. Now hold this in place with one hand and insert the bias tape on top with the help of other hand and keep wrapping it once or twice. Then cut extra tape, fold the raw end little bit. Then take your needle and give few stitches and cut extra thread. Adjust the bow finally and look, you made your first earring. So in the same way, following the previous steps, make the another one. Friends, if you have sewing machine, then you can make these stitches with machine, and trust me, you can finish these earrings in no time. I know you will definitely going to try making these, and if so, then please do let me know in the comment box how they turned out. And lastly, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you. Bye bye.